For decades, humanoid robots lived only in science fiction and research labs. But today, they are stepping into the real world. From factories and warehouses to service industries, human-shaped machines are starting to appear. And that leads us to a big, uneasy question. Will humanoid robots really take away our jobs? Around the world, some of the biggest names in technology are racing to build humanoid robots. In the United States, Amazon, the nation's second-largest employer, has already deployed over 1 million industrial robots across its facilities. According to Reuters, the company is now preparing to test humanoid robots for package delivery, showing that even its massive logistics empire may one day depend on machines that move and act like us. Tesla, meanwhile, continues to dominate headlines with its humanoid robot, Optimus. First revealed as a concept in 2021, Optimus has become a working prototype, tested directly inside Tesla factories. Elon Musk has boldly claimed it could become the biggest product ever in history, even more valuable than Tesla's entire car business. Startups are also pushing forward. Figure, founded in 2022, has raised hundreds of millions of dollars with backing from Jeff Bezos and NVIDIA. Its first human-sized robot is already undergoing pilot testing on assembly lines, signaling how quickly new players can catch up in this emerging field. China has joined the race as well. Unitree Robotics, previously known for its agile four-legged robots, unveiled humanoid models called H1 and G1. With prices reported between $15,000 and $20,000, they are far cheaper than most Western robots, opening the door to mass adoption. And of course, Boston Dynamics cannot be forgotten. Its Atlas robot became a YouTube icon with flips and dance routines. But today, a quieter revolution is happening. The all-electric Atlas is being tested for real work. From lifting boxes to navigating construction sites, even the most famous show robot is now preparing for practical jobs. Together, these efforts mark the beginning of a global race. From American giants like Amazon and Tesla, to ambitious startups, to Chinese innovators, humanoid robots are no longer distant dreams. They are rapidly becoming commercial products. So how do these machines actually work? A humanoid robot is essentially a blend of mechanical engineering, sensors, and artificial intelligence wrapped in a human-shaped shell. Instead of muscles and tendons, robots rely on actuators, compact motors that bend arms, rotate wrists, or move legs. Each step or motion is powered by dozens of these mechanical muscles, carefully balanced for strength, precision, and efficiency. To operate in our world, robots must perceive their environment. Cameras act as eyes, often arranged in pairs to provide depth perception. Some add lidar scanners or depth sensors, building a 3D map of the world for navigation. Gyroscopes and accelerometers function as the robot's inner ear, keeping it upright and aware of its orientation. A few advanced models even feature tactile sensors in their hands, letting them grip objects without crushing or dropping them. At the center lies the brain, a computer running AI algorithms that process all this sensor data and decide how to act. Recent advances in machine vision and motion planning are what make humanoids more capable today than ever before. Many are trained in simulations, practicing millions of virtual steps or grasps before transferring those skills into the real world. But power remains their greatest limitation. Nearly all humanoids run on batteries stored in the torso, which typically last only 2 to 5 hours. Engineers are working on lighter materials and smarter energy management, but for now, endurance is a major barrier to replacing human labor. How do humanoid robots compare with human workers? In some ways, they already hold an edge. A robot can lift heavy components, handle toxic materials, or work without sleep. Once one robot masters a skill, that knowledge can be copied to an entire fleet instantly, creating exponential scalability. But the limitations are just as clear. Robots move cautiously and slowly compared to people. Walking on two legs consumes enormous amounts of energy, making them less efficient than wheeled machines. Fine motor tasks, like assembling small parts, remain extremely challenging for robotic hands. And most important, robots lack adaptability. Humans can improvise, switch tools, or juggle multiple tasks. Robots usually need reprogramming for anything outside their training. In short, robots may be tireless, but humans are still more versatile, creative, and responsive. So what happens when humanoid robots step into the labor force? The first concern is job displacement. Manufacturing, logistics, and retail, industries employing millions, are at real risk of automation. But history suggests another side. Every wave of technology has not only eliminated some jobs, but created others. Already, demand is growing for robot engineers, maintenance specialists, and AI developers. According to Amazon, while robots have replaced certain repetitive roles, over 700,000 employees have been upskilled to work alongside robotic systems since 2019. Still, such transitions are rarely smooth, and many communities may face economic disruption. Beyond economics, there are ethical questions. As robots become more human-like, how should we treat them? Will we see them as mere tools, or begin to regard them as co-workers? Human instincts may lead us to empathize with lifelike machines, complicating the line between labor and companionship. So, will humanoid robots take our jobs? The answer is yes, some of them, but not all, and not all at once. In the near term, they will focus on dull, dirty, and dangerous work. Over time, as technology improves, they will expand into new areas. Yet for many years, humans and robots will work side by side. What sets us apart, creativity, imagination, and adaptability, remains far out of reach for machines. The future of work is changing, and humanoid robots are certain to play a role in it. The real question is not only what jobs they will take, but what kind of future we want to build for ourselves in a world where humans and robots coexist.